Chase. So, right now, I'm at Jurassic Park. I'm at Isla.
Chase, where are we now?
We're at the raptor photo.
What do we expect here?
We're gonna take a picture with Blue the raptor.
The real raptor?
Yep.
What about your raptor claw? Where's that? You should get Blue with your real raptor claw.
Down for me just a little bit. Jump down a little bit more. There's hit the ground. Hit the ground! Save your life.
Chase!
Save your life. And your reflex.
You're almost there.
Incredible. Yes, take a
Think
selfie.
about this. I don't think you can do it. Are you
Blue,
brave enough to do
Show them
it?
your pretty smile.
Are you brave enough to do it?
You'd be so much prettier if you smiled.
The raptor.
Is that Blue?
Yeah, it's a raptor.
Hello, come on in. Oh no!
I would not want to get stuck in his teeth. Can you snap your fingers? Blue responds to snaps. So if you hold him and then you snap, Blue, no. Blue, stay. That's how you can talk to him. Blue, stay. Try it. Blue, stay.
I can do to help you.
Maybe give me your map.
On that blue line or in front of it, you guys.
He's hiding.
Perfect. So she's gonna come out as soon as you're on that blue line or in front of it, because that's where the base goes. Clump together nice and tight. Look right over at that camera. Perfect. Very good. Nice and still. No. Don't turn around. Now you're good. Turn around, say bye to them. If anything happens to your parents, I will be your new mom and dad, okay? And guys, I just need you on that blue line. Perfect. Go ahead, take 2 steps forward for me, please. You can't outdo that cheerleading girl. I know you're gonna try. Here we go. Let's launch her. 1, 2, 3. Launch the cheerleader. Okay. You know what? Just take her on any other ride. That'll get her. Come on out of there. You guys have a great time.
I just found a T-Rex skeleton. It's follow me. Well, right now we're in the Jurassic Park Learning Center. Over there is a fake
What are those?
Brachiosaurus and a T-Rex. But I have to be careful near there because I have a dino fossil and it's very delicate.
What else is there?
Oh, come over here. You just seen the beginning. This is the end. That is what happened to these over here. So they turned that Brachiosaurus turned to that skeleton over there. And then down there turned to that first skeleton.
Is that the T-Rex?
Yes, I don't know where the Pteranodon is in there.
Where's the Pteranodon?
You can see him hanging.
Oh, look at him hanging. What's the difference between a Pteranodon and a pterodactyl?
Oh, pterodactyls don't have a beak.
Pterodactyls don't have beaks?
No, like the cross on their head.
Wow. Oh, the cross on their head. The horn on their head. Wow, we can go downstairs. Should we go downstairs? Let's go down and see what's down there.
Hold on, what is raptor?
Let's go see what's down there.
So over there's a buying toys in there. I'm at Chase. So right now, I'm at Jurassic Park. I'm at Isla Nublar. I'm going to show you some things at Isla Nublar. Like these dinosaurs over here. Upstairs, there's some more.
Let's go downstairs and see the fossils.
Check over here. There it is. So we have this. This is the elevator. When you turn in, these gates open up the T-Rex. And you turn this part, protection. And this is the DNA scanner.
Let's go see some real fossils. Will you show them to me?
Yep. This is a raptor.
What do you have there in your hands?
A raptor fossil.
A raptor fossil.
Oh, come over here to see them too. And they're a little bit funny.
Let's go downstairs. Look what's down there. Oh, whoa, what's this?
Oh, that is a patasaurus.
A patasaurus.
Yeah, let's go down.
What's the difference between a patasaurus and a brachiosaurus?
So patasauruses have short necks and a brontosaurus has a long neck.
Oh, that does have a short neck. You're right. He knows his stuff, Mommy.
It's like this. His neck is like this.
Yeah.
And the brontosaurus' neck is like this.
Oh, I see. All right, take me downstairs.
Let's look for the spare padding. Oh, here.
What's that?
That's a T-Rex, that's a Pteranodon, and that is a Brachiosaurus. His neck is just down.
Let's go see what else. I think there are more fossils down there.
When dinos are running, and when a Brachiosaurus is running from the volcano, his neck is down.
Oh.
It's over there.
What is it?
Yeah.
Come on down.
Okay, so we have a baby Stegosaurus in there.
Show me the Stegosaurus. Let's walk over to it.
So there's a mama Stegosaurus.
Oh, all right.
Thank you.
There's the Stegosaurus, Chase. That's the Brachiosaurus, and we know that because its neck is longer.
Yeah.
Come over here.
Hey, look, that's him standing up like 10 spears and everything.
What is it?
It's a Brachiosaurus with his neck down and getting scared.
So when its neck is down, it's scared?
Yeah.
Where did you learn that
And
from?
it's like running.
Oh, when it runs, its neck is down.
Can I tell you how he's just about to run?
Yeah.
Because look at his feet. Brachiosaurus do that sometimes.
Wow.
And then
Now what about the T-Rex? Is the T-Rex attacking it? Is that why it's running?
And that's when he's running.
Does the Brachiosaurus have any predators?
No. It's
Not even the T-Rex?
It's so big it doesn't have any predators.
Is it an herbivore or a carnivore?
A herbivore.
And what's the difference?
What?
What's the difference between an herbivore and a carnivore?
Oh, carnivore eats meat, has sharper teeth, and it walks on 2 legs.
Oh.
The herbivore walks on 4 feet, has square teeth, and it walks on legs.
Wow. I think I see Blue over there, by the way.
Yeah, hold on.
Let's go see what else is here.
Yeah, let's just...
Will you walk me around?
Now let's just get over there after. We're almost done. So over here, we have this rock right here, and when you press it back, look what happens. His arms move. And when you press his tail, look what happens to his mouth. So right here, under this, you see him up and no, that happened.
That's a Dilophosaurus, right?
No, this is not Velociraptor. Velociraptor has
I saw Blue. Let's go show me Blue.
Oh, so over here we have a baby dinosaur, a baby herbivore, dinosaur with a long neck. We have another raptor, there. I don't know what dinosaurs are up there. So over here, check out what's happening over here. This is the last big dinos. There's eggs and flamingers. Check their health.
We look over there. I see all the eggs.
And there's eggs in cages and a warmer egger.
And an egg warmer?
Yeah. And for when the dinos hatch, they're not going to be running all over the place.
You're right. There they are.
They need eggs.
I see
it looks
way
like-
in there. It says what eggs there. I see Brachiosaurus, Triceratops. I see Tyrannosaurus Rex eggs. All in there.
Yeah. And
These are called nurseries.
Oh, look it. One is hatching.
One's hatching. These are called nurseries. So it's a Dino Nursery.
Yeah. And there's the warmer over there.
Yeah.
With all the eggs in it. So we'll see you soon. We're going to make a new video.
Hey Chase, can you explain to me what the difference between an herbivore and a carnivore is again?
So herbivore walks on 4 feet and has square teeth, and a carnivore walks on 2 feet and it has sharp teeth.
So it looks like you said something about this Brachiosaurus' neck. What does that mean?
So that means he's running or he's getting ready to run.
So if the Brachiosaurus' neck is low, he's running?
That means he's getting ready. Sometimes when he's staying on 2 feet, his neck is long, like that. That means he's getting ready to run.
Do you think he's being chased by this Tyrannosaurus Rex?
I think that he's getting the stink. Stink by the volcano.
Does the Brachiosaurus have any predators?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
But the T-Rex totally has predators.
The T-Rex has predators?
Yeah, because
What are the T-Rex's predators?
I don't know, but he has any kind of predator.
All right, let's go get some lunch.
Well, only the giant dinosaurs don't have any predators.
Show me your Velociraptor claw.
This is his toe claw.
That's his what?
Toe claw.
Wow, that's so sharp.
We're gonna